In this video, I'm going to share with you a niche that is starting to trend and is starting to get me a lot of sales. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I also have a bonus niche that has the potential to go viral in the next couple of days. We're just going to have to wait and see. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on print-on-demand, merch by Amazon, Redbubble, TeePublic, and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get value from this video, make sure to give this video a like. Okay, let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you that is starting to trend and is starting to get me a lot of sales, and I actually kind of touched on this niche in one of my previous videos where I made a video about a bunch of niches for awareness in April. But since this niche has been doing so well for me, I figured that this niche deserves its own video. And what it is the sexual assault awareness. So in April, you're going to see which month is Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and if you click on it, you're going to see that it's April. So it's coming up, it's starting to trend. People are already buying for this niche. And when we go to Amazon and we look at the competition, you actually have to go down to the third page, which I already did, to get the true results. And so if you scroll down here and click on the third page, you see I'm on the third page right here. And if we scroll back up, we're going to see that there's only, I think, 929 results. So low competition niche, under 1,000. And when we go back to the first page, we're going to see that this niche is selling very well. You can look at the BSRs, 440, 536. As we get closer to April, they will even get even lower. So good niche to be in. The color for this ribbon or for this niche is the teal. And you know, there's a lot of ways that you can design for this. What the majority of people are going to be doing are going to be focusing more like on these shirts for women, and that's definitely a really good way to make sales in this niche. But something to also consider is to also focus on for like men as well, because men have also been sexually abused. So you're going to see a lot of shirts that say like "her fight is my fight," but you also want to do ones like towards men that says like "his fight is my fight" as well. So make sure that you're just focusing on both genders. When we look at the competition for this niche on some of the other websites, when we go to Etsy, here you're going to see I typed in sexual assault awareness shirt, only 851 results, very low. When we go to Redbubble, 511, also very low. And if we go to TeePublic, well, it doesn't show us how many results, but we can just take a look. See right here, it's all like women, which is good, but also think about men as well. So yeah, so this is I think the reason why this niche is kind of low in competition, one, just not too many people know about it, and people might also be kind of afraid to upload or use the word sexual in their keywords on Merch by Amazon because they think it might cause a rejection. But I've been selling in this niche for the past maybe even, I think this might be the third year, and every April it gets me a whole bunch of sales on all of the platforms. So good niche to be in. If we go to Creative Fabrica, you can just type in like teal ribbon. You get all these clip art, and you can see it says commercial and full POD usage allowed. So you could actually just like take this design right here, upload it onto merch, and you can just optimize it with good keywords. You know, Sexual Assault Awareness Month. I have an affiliate link for Creative Fabrica if you want to give them a try. If you go to any one of my videos, click on the description underneath where it says my favorite POD tools, you're going to see I have Creative Fabrica, this affiliate link right here. If you sign up with them, I do get a commission, so that will help support the channel. But Creative Fabrica has a lot of good stuff. You get so much value from those guys, and they're only like 59 bucks for the year. They got AI, they got courses, they got fonts, they got t-shirt designs, they got clip art, all types of cool stuff. So if you're interested, check them out. And then let's see what else. Well, I think that's basically going to be it for the niche. Oh no, the bonus niche that I wanted to share with you. So I don't know if you guys saw the news, but the other day I saw that Trump posted a tweet or some type of Truth Social or whatever he uses to post that he might be arrested. Now, he says it's going to happen on Tuesday. Now, we don't know if this is going to happen, but if this were to happen, if he were to get arrested, you can guarantee there's going to be a whole bunch of designs popping out saying like free Trump, you know, free 45. But you know, there's just going to be a whole bunch of designs, and we want to position ourselves to be ready to take advantage of this opportunity if it comes out. Now, I would probably avoid using the word Trump. I used to sell a lot of Trump shirts when he was running for president in 2020. I made a whole bunch of money. Whether you hate Trump or love Trump, one thing you cannot deny is that, you know, the man can sell a lot of t-shirts. It was so easy back then. I was just putting like any type of demographic for Trump, so like teachers for Trump, teens for Trump, students for Trump, Filipinos for Trump, Mexicans for Trump. And it would just sell very easily. I was making like $1,000 a month. It was a pretty good time. But when he lost, I basically took all my Trump designs down just to keep my account safe. So I probably, if you do get into this niche, or if you get prepared for this niche, you know, I would probably avoid using the word Trump. And just try and get like a little creative. And instead of using the word Trump, I would probably go with like 45, you know, because Trump was the 45th president. So I would do something maybe like free 45, or like free the best president ever, something like that. Just kind of creative, and just use designs without using the word Trump. Now, if you like taking risk and you want to, because there are a bunch of Trump designs up, you know, you can go ahead and try it. Me personally, I would stay away from it. I would just use like 45, for example. But you know, we don't even know if this is going to happen. We're going to see what happens tomorrow. But I can guarantee you, though, if he does get arrested, there's going to be a lot of merch shirts pop up. And it's going to be pretty cool because there hasn't really been that much political trends going on. I remember last year, before Christmas, there were so many. And it was pretty easy to make money. You know, every time Biden had a gaffe, you can just basically just put up a t-shirt design like that and it would sell. But he hasn't had one in a while. There hasn't been too much going on in the political news. So this could be a good opportunity for us. So I just want to share with you that, you know, just you know, stay vigilant, watch the news, and if he does get arrested, then, you know, you might want to consider positioning yourself and getting ready. And then just a couple other things. If you are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or Etsy, I actually have some courses that you might want to consider taking a look at. So here's a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch. You get 16 lessons, over an hour of content. I have it on sale right now for only $10. I also have one for Redbubble as well. Same thing, beginner's guide, $10, 20 lessons. And then I also have one for Etsy. Everything you need to know to set up your Etsy shop for success. Same thing, $10, 14 lessons. If we look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales and made over $38,000 in royalties. My credentials on Redbubble, past 12 months, over $2,000. And if we look at my all-time stats on Etsy, we're going to see I've done over $187,000 in revenue. All right, so if you're struggling to get sales on those platforms, you give those courses a try. The courses are good for like beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales. And then if you like this kind of content, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis. This week, I apologize, I wasn't really putting that too much out because I was just doing so many Etsy critiques. I have a gig on Fiverr where I critique and review people's Etsy shops, and people really seem to like it, so I've been getting a lot of sales. I have like over 200 5-star reviews on there. But if you like this kind of content, like I'm saying, consider subscribing. I put out videos on a pretty much regular basis, just design ideas, trending niches, evergreen niches, you know, basically design ideas to help you get sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. And you can check out this playlist right here if you're looking for more ideas. All right, so that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, bye-bye.